Why are you talking like small people like this?
That's the sound effect.
And you're not looking at this beautiful and so this beautiful mature woman that is very lively in my lifetime is talking. What's waiting? What is wrong? What is happening? I don't know.
Rex, thanks for joining. Is that
Where's
you?
true?
No?
Where's
Is
true
it
from?
Tokpe?
Yes,
Lagos.
I'm from Ogun State.
Okay.
Are you Yoruba again?
No. Not.
Igbo?
No?
Hausa?
Thanks for liking. No?
Egun? Ibi Egun?
Delta.
Delta. Delta na all those middle belt now. Abi?
You say what?
I said Delta na middle belt, Abi.
Isoko.